Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and home, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Ashley, and in today's video we are decorating the kitchen for fall. I'm so excited to share this video because it was the most requested. I posted a poll on my community tab and almost half of you wanted to see the kitchen first. So as you can see, we have removed all the summer decor and I've deep cleaned the kitchen, so we are starting with a beautiful blank canvas. I also have a little mini haul. I just want to go through the newer pieces for 2024, and then if there's some older pieces that I forget to mention, just let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely link those. We have some more fall decor over here. We have Love Island on in the background. I'm obsessed. Let me know if you're watching down below, but let's get started with the haul. Okay, should we start with like my favorite pieces, or you know what, we'll just start over here. So my stores don't tend to always carry the newest, most popular items. So unfortunately, I can't go to the store with a game plan. I kind of let the store tell me what I need. But I found this at Hobby Lobby. I thought this was beautiful. This little wooden riser. It's shaped like a pumpkin. I thought that would be perfect. I also love these pumpkin wooden spoons, also from Hobby Lobby. I also loved this leaf wooden tray. I thought this would be so perfect because it's Saturday, just kind of set right here on the kitchen island with some muffins or snacks so people can just kind of grab and go. This one is food safe, so I figured that would be perfect for that. And my most favorite item that I found this year is this lamp. They were all sold out at like 3 different Targets near my house, so when I found this one, oh my gosh, I was just so excited. I saw a lot of people on social media get the brown neutral, but this green one was my absolute fave. I thought it was just the perfect fall green, and it actually matches those wreaths that I'm going to show you guys in just a little bit. But this one was so beautiful and definitely my favorite from Target, the Hearth and Hand, and this one was only $20. When we were at Hobby Lobby, I let the girls pick out whichever candle they wanted, and they picked out this pumpkin one, which was perfect because it was my favorite. It smells incredible. And this one was $24.99 with 40% off. I also grabbed this beautiful pumpkin. I'm going to put a candle in it. I loved that one. And I wasn't able to find my Mrs. Meyer's. Like when I decorate for the seasons, even if it's early, I just love my Mrs. Meyer's because it reminds me of each holiday season. But they didn't have any in my area, and I couldn't get it shipped here online quick enough. So Cap and Queen came through with the cocoa butter cashmere. This stuff smells so incredible. I think this might be my new favorite fall scent, but I will link this down below so you guys can order yours in case you're not able to find the Mrs. Meyer's. We're going to use this to clean the kitchen today, and this stuff, oh my gosh. And I love the spray bottle as well. It's awesome. 10 out of 10. All of these other pieces I've had for a while. This Mrs. Meyer's, the reason I was able to have the dish soap and the hand soap is because I stocked up on this last year, so this was just what I still had left over from that, but I didn't have any spray, so that's how I was able to get the Cap and Queen. But some of the new pieces for this year are these stems, also from Hobby Lobby. I thought these were so beautiful. Not quite as orange as I've done in the past, a more natural, but still really pretty. I still am going to incorporate some of the orange because this like garland from Amazon, it's one of my favorite. I'll link that down below for you guys as well. It is so good and so affordable, and it's lighted, so it's perfect to incorporate for that. This is the arrangement I usually do in here at my Nook table, and I'm still going to do that this year, but I wanted to get some more pieces, so I don't know if I'm going to incorporate these into a different area of the house or if I am going to use it in the kitchen, but I just thought these were so beautiful. They almost looked like dried hydrangeas, and as you can see, they're very different from what I'm used to using, but more realistic and gorgeous. These are from Hobby Lobby. Then I have this beautiful vessel. This is from Pottery Barn. I got this at an estate sale over the summer. Then I have some other vessels that I've had for a really long time, but I found these super cute pillows. I know this is like probably way too early for some people to see Halloween, but honestly, this stuff goes so fast, so you might as well just grab it. And I liked how it didn't have the Halloween colors in it, you know, like the purples and greens. I liked how this still matched everything else I was planning on using in the kitchen, because if I'm being honest, like the fall decor that I saw this year, it was really pretty, but there was nothing that I was like, oh my God, I had to have that besides this lamp. And honestly, the fall stuff was incredible. I mean, designer dupes, everything looked super high end at Home Goods. And the fall, like I couldn't even find new fall pillows this year. It was just crazy, but there's a ton of Halloween. So I grabbed these, and these were super cute, and they were affordable too. They were only $12.99 each. Then I have this really large pumpkin. I also got another smaller one, but I think this is the only one that will fit in my kitchen. I got this one from an estate sale as well. And then we have just the garland that I always put up around the window. Okay, we have just a couple more things that I grabbed. First up is these towels. These towels were so cute. I couldn't find any good fall towels, but like I said, they had lots of Halloween. So these are still neutral. They were $12.99, and those are from Home Goods. Hi, Blue. You guys asked to see the dogs more, so I left them out today kind of just to test it out and see how it would go. They usually are so into the decor, it's kind of hard to film around them, but we're going to try it today. And then these wreaths, they had so many beautiful new wreaths at Hobby Lobby, and I really loved like the deep purples and the blues, but I let the girls pick, and this is what they chose. I really liked the green because it matched the lamp that I showed you in the kitchen. So not the trendiest, but they loved these, and so I'm really excited to put those out. Plus it matches all the other colors that we're using. But that is everything. I only grabbed a few things this year, but we are going to decorate, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it turns out. It is not the start of fall until I decorate this window. This is my favorite spot in the entire kitchen. I absolutely love these garlands. I use 4 of them in total. I use 2 of just the plain saturated orange and yellow leaf garlands from Hobby Lobby, and then I also use 2 of the lighted garlands from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you, but they are just so beautiful all together. They're a lot fuller, and we homeschool in both the kitchen at the Nook table and then also in the dining room, and I love using the more saturated colors because the oranges and the yellows, they're just warm and inviting, but they also stimulate creativity and enthusiasm, which is perfect for homeschool. So I tend to use more muted tones like in the living room and in our bedrooms, but for these 2 areas, it's my favorite. To prep this area for decorating, I'm using the Cap & Queen multi-surface spray in the scent Cocoa Butter Cashmere. Mom hack: if you want your kids to clean more around the house, grab some dreamy scented sprays and watch the magic happen. My oldest daughter hasn't stopped using this spray since it arrived. And if you're looking for a cleaning set, Cap & Queen's got you covered. They make coordinated cleaning collections with new scents for every season. There's nothing I hate more than getting ready to clean and you realize you ran out of supplies. That's why they created Cap & Queen Club. This is where you can build your own bundle of supplies for a clean and fresh smelling home delivered monthly to your doorstep. With their customizable delivery service, you can stock up on hand soaps, room refresheners, candles, and multi-surface cleaners. I've already ordered my Christmas bundle, the Winter Woods. I wanted to grab it before it sells out. If you want to try Cap & Queen for your home, check my description box for the link, and thank you Cap & Queen for sending me this product. For this side of the kitchen, we're going to keep it really simple. I still need it to be functional so we can do dishes, so we are just going to add in this beautiful tray from Home Goods. I have this vessel that I DIY'd years ago, some gorgeous fall stems. I love, love, love these pillar candles. I thrifted those. They have the dried wheat right inside. I wanted to add in some texture with these pumpkins, and of course we have to fill all of the cake stands with some delicious treats. On this side of the kitchen, I usually love to style my seasonal coffee bar, but I actually left my Nespresso machine at our second home in Indiana, so I'm going to try something a little bit different this year. We're going to just mostly style this area with decor, so let me know in the comments down below, do you like this better or do you prefer the seasonal coffee bar? I love this time of the year with all of the twinkle lights, so we are going to add in another leaf garland around this sign. I've been doing this for a couple years now. It adds such a magical glow to the kitchen, but I was thinking we could use a bit more brightness, so we are going to add in that pumpkin that I showed you at the beginning of the video, and we are going to add in some battery operated lights just to give it a bit more glow. If you follow me over on Instagram, you may remember me cleaning these white chairs for the start of the holiday season. It has just been a long summer and they had been through it, but we got them all cleaned up. If you missed some cleaning motivation in my videos, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to include that in the future. We added in some paper just to give these stems a little bit of lift and height into this vessel. We're going to add a couple more pieces in and then decorate the nook table. I know I'm going to get a ton of questions on how I secure these wreaths to the doors. There's many ways that you can do it. I think I've even talked about it in a previous video, but you could use a command hook and you can just wrap the ribbon around the command hook. I just use painter's tape. It works for me, and I've had an issue in the past with sometimes my command hooks ripping the paint off, so I just use painter's tape and I use 2 large strips and I just create an X and it somehow manages to work. So you could try that out, or like I said, you could try a command hook, whichever works better for you. I decided to use those beautiful new stems from Hobby Lobby in my fall garland, which you will see in my living room. That video will be coming out very soon, so make sure your notifications are turned on. Instead, we went with this beautiful arrangement I've been using forever. Honestly, you guys, I really did not purchase that much new stuff this year, which makes me really happy that I'm still able to use the things that I've been loving. But we are going to get this cleaned up, and here is the final review. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my description box so you can order your own seasonal scents from Cap and Queen. I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye, guys.